Daisa's the winner now. Death Truck 2. I mean, 3. Okay, let's go. Did you pick up on that? Yeah, me neither. You need to do it again. You need to do this at least 4 times. Here we go. Wow! World record number 2. Hey, let's go. Here's world record number 3. Here we go. Oh! Number 3! Okay, only one more, then you win. Okay? Last one, let's see if you can do it. She did it! Daisha, you won all 4 records. Nice job. Okay, come on. Now, let's ask you a few questions up here. How did it feel that you won all 4 records?
Happy.
And what else?
Yeah, excited.
Do you wanna get your prize or keep on talking?
Get my prize.
Of course. Well, let's finish a few questions.
Ah!
John. That's it. Out of this video. I'm a little cow and I'm fucking in the show, yo.